Believe it or not, one of the most prevalent problems down by us is air conditioning. First thing we ask, is it cold? Is the air condition not blowing? Is it cold or hot on one side compared to the other side? Most cars nowadays have dual climate control systems. Well, to solve an air conditioning problem, we really need to know what is happening to it first. That's our main question. Tell me what the air conditioning is doing in your aspect. From past experience, most of my ladies, let me tell you, I can get in the car and they can be driving on the wheels coming off, or the missing on 3 cylinders, and they keep driving. Let me tell you, if the air conditioning's not working, they pulling up in front of my shop. So when we receive a car with air conditioning problems, it's pretty much 3 things we check. First, we check to see if the airflow is adequate to push the cold air or the hot air into the car. This step is pretty simple. We crank the car up, we put the air conditioner on, and we just feel. From experience, I could feel if the volume's where it should be at. So it's a pretty simple step. Second thing we check is to see if there's enough Freon in the car. We're gonna hook it up to the recovery machine and see if we have enough Freon. We can tell this by the pressures and know if we have enough Freon in the system. Third thing we check is we take the scanner, which is our electronic device that we hook into the car to make sure the actuators are working properly. The actuators are the little electric motors that decide, the computer tells it, the actuators, which way to make the air flow, out the top, the bottom, the defrost, blowing in your face, blowing at your feet, whatever. I hook the scanner up, make the actuators perform, and the scanner tells me if they're performing where they should be, if they're weak, or simply not working. So if you're driving and the outside air is cooler than the inside air, that's probably a sign that says we need to bring it in. It could be one of the 3 things I talked about.